Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. I am back with a Walgreen haul and deal video, and thank you all for joining me once again. If you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you, and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Let's go save some money. I always like to start my haul with a simple transaction. That way I will see if I will get any booster when I check out. So the first items I will pick up will be the Dawn dish soap. They're on sale for $1.24, and when you buy two, you get back $1 register reward. I will pick up two. We don't have any coupon for this, so if this works out very well, I will pay the $2.48 because that's the total for the two, and I'll get back $1 register reward, and that will end up making these two items just $1.48 or 74 cents each. This deal actually worked out very well. I ended up using $2 Walgreen cash to help pay it down, pay the 48 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got back my $1 register reward. And I also received a $7 Walgreen cash back when I spent $40 or more. The next deal I'll pick up will be the buy 3 get $3 register reward back and Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. The 2 counts are included in this deal. They're on sale for $3.29, and check your app, we have a $2 coupon that is attaching to it. And to complete this deal, I'll pick up 2 of the Febreze air freshener. They're also on sale for $3.29. I only have 1 coupon in the app. I only have a $1 coupon that will attach to one, and the second one, I don't have any coupon for it. These 3 items are going to total $9.87. And with the $2 coupon and the $1 coupon I mentioned earlier on, it's going to drop it down to $6.83. I'll pay that and get $3 back, making all 3 items $3.87 or $1.29 each. Last week, I received a save 10 off $10 in-store purchase. I'll be adding it to this deal, and I will also be combining it with the booster I just received. They spend $40, get $7 Walgreen cash back. And I also have another spend $1 and you get $5 Walgreen cash. And I also have this one that says buy 2 beauty items, you get back $5 Walgreen cash. And the items have to be $5 plus. These 2 products I picked up, I wasn't able to film because there are some people there and I did not want to disturb anybody. These are L'Oreal Paris lipstick. They're on sale for $6.59. I picked up 2. And that will total $13.18. I have a 10 off 2 coupon for L'Oreal Cosmetics that I'll be using for this, and it's going to drop it down to $3.18 if I'm doing this by itself, and I'll get back the $5 Walgreen cash. These 2 products will end up being free and a $1.82 moneymaker. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be the Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $4 and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 register reward back. I'll pick up 2 of the Colgate total, and the total for these 2 products will be $8. I have a 4 off 2. Check your app or you can scan to make sure it's attaching to the right coupon. The $4 is going to drop it down to $4. I'll pay that and get $3 register reward back, making both items $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Colgate toothpaste. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 register reward back. I'll pick up 2 of the toothbrushes and they're going to total me $10. Check your app because we have a 5 off 2 coupon that is going to drop it down to $5. I'll pay that and get $4 register reward back, making both products just $1 or 50 cents each. These are all the items I'll pick up using the 2 spend booster I have. I have a paper coupon or spend $40 get $7 Walgreen cash back. And I also have a digital one that I spend $1, I'll get back $5 Walgreen cash. And the total for all these items is $41.05. And after all the coupons I mentioned earlier on come off, it's going to leave me to pay just $9.05 out of pocket, and I'll get back all my register reward. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipts. Let's go over my receipts and see how everything worked out. You can see all the items I picked up, and this transaction went very smooth. On my coupon section, it came off. Everything I showed you guys came off. They spent $10 off when I spent 10. That's the first one you're looking at. I used to register reward $8. That's the two $4 you're looking at. And the second $10 is for the L'Oreal Cosmetics. And the $5 is for the Colgate. The $4 is for the Colgate toothpaste. And the $2 is for the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And the $1 is for Febreze. I ended up paying $1.15 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $3 for the buy 3 get $3 register reward bag, and I got back $4 for buying 2 Colgate toothbrushes, and a $3 bag for buying 2 Colgate toothpaste. And I also got back my $5 Walgreen cash for buying 2 beauty products, and a $7 Walgreen cash for spending $40, and a $5 for spending $1. This whole transaction ended up being free, even if I include the Dundee soap I bought earlier on. It ended up being free and a $16.37 moneymaker. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for joining me, and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye-bye.